Welcome back again to my channel, Chemistry Made Simple for NEET. I am Dr.Lekshmy Subramaniam with a PhD in Chemistry. Today, in this session, we will quickly revise some MCQs from the lesson Hydrogen of Class 11. We have 4 parts of MCQs from Hydrogen. Today, we will be doing the first part. Before starting our session, let me briefly tell you about the importance of revising the lessons and MCQs. Revision in simple words can be explained as revisiting the concepts learned. Revision plays an inevitable role while preparing for a competitive exam like NEET. Experts suggest 2 main advantages of revision. The first one is a recollection of concepts and the second is boosting confidence. Toppers often claim revision as their secret to topping the NEET rank list. The majority of the students who are preparing for the NEET exam often fail to understand the importance of revision and often end up in a state of depression wherein they question their recollecting capacity. Revision can be considered as revisiting the learned concepts. According to educationalists, revision means to read things again. The word revision can be split into 2, re meaning again and vision meaning see. It is important that you need to read and understand the concepts at least once before revision because only then revision makes sense. So, let us start with our session today. The first question for today is the element that is known as rogue element. The choices are A. Beryllium, B. Hydrogen, C. Helium and D. Lithium. Answer is B. Hydrogen. That is, hydrogen resembles, along with the alkali metals, hydrogen is placed in the first position in the periodic table and also it behaves like halogens. At the same time, it differs from these first group elements as well as halogens in certain properties. So, we call hydrogen a rogue element. Second question, which of the following is hydrogen's electronic configuration? A 1s1, B 1s2, C 2s1 and D 2s2. So, hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. So, the first option is the answer, that is 1s1 because it has got only one electron, the configuration. So, 1s1 and already what hydrogen does, it readily gains one electron in order to become a noble gas. Next question, hydrogen, what is it? Is it a metal, metalloid, non-metal or solid? So, that is quite confusing since due to the position of hydrogen in the periodic table, many of us doubt whether it is a metal or a non-metal. So, the answer is choice C, non-metal. Even though hydrogen is placed along with the metals in the first group of the periodic table and its symbol is H. So, because of the outer shell electronic configuration of hydrogen, its valency is 1. Still, it is a non-metal. Now, hydrogen is the first element. The elements in the periodic table are arranged with respect to their choices are A. Atomic numbers, B. Molecular weights, C. Atmospheric abundance and D. Physical state. So, the answer is choice A. Atomic numbers. So, elements in the periodic table, they are always arranged with respect to their atomic numbers. And what are atomic numbers? It is the number of protons or electrons of that element. So, hydrogen is placed in the first position of the periodic table. Now, next question, hydrogen has dash ionization enthalpy. A is high, B is low, C is 0 and D is no. So, answer is A. It is having high ionization enthalpy. As we already discussed, it belongs to the position 1 in the periodic table kept along with the alkali metals. And so, it has high ionization enthalpy because as even though it is placed in the first position, it behaves like halogens also. So, hydrogen is at the same time an alkali metal as well as a halogen. So, moving on to the next question. The property of hydrogen of forming a diatomic molecule. What is a diatomic molecule? 2 atoms, that is it exists as H2. What is its property? A is halogen, B is alkali metal, C is noble gas and D is D block. So, answer is A, halogen, because hydrogen is an alkali metal, also it behaves like halogen. So, it shows the properties of both alkali metal as well as halogen and it is a diatomic molecule. So option is A. Next question, which of the following is not an isotope of hydrogen? A. Helium, B. Protonium, C. Deuterium, D. Tritium. All of you know that helium is an element which is placed in position 2 of the periodic table. So naturally option A is the correct answer. Hydrogen's three isotopes are there for hydrogen, which are protonium, deuterium and tritium. And the atomic numbers are all same, but the mass numbers are different. That is what we call isotopes. So the element helium is the answer, is option A. Next question, which one of it is these following elements are radioactive? A. Protonium, B. Tritium, C. Chlorine and D. Deuterium. From the choice itself we can know that three choices are the isotopes of hydrogen, whereas choice 3 chlorine is a halogen. So the answer is choice A, protonium is the one which is a radioactive isotope. Three isotopes are there, protonium, deuterium and tritium. It is tritium emits beta rays and half-life 12.33 years, but protonium and deuterium are not radioactive. So answer is tritium, which is radioactive, option A. It is wrongly given here as option A. Option B is the correct answer. Tritium is the one which shows the radioactivity out of the three isotopes of hydrogen. So answer is choice B and not A. Next question is, which of the following has the greatest relative atomic mass? A. Tritium, B. Protonium, C. Deuterium, D. all have equal mass. So answer is tritium has the highest relative atomic mass than protonium and deuterium. Relative atomic mass of protonium, these three are given. The values you can see it over here. Now deuterium is also known as another name for deuterium. A. dark hydrogen, B. heavy hydrogen, C. light hydrogen and D. radioactive hydrogen. Answer is B. heavy hydrogen. And deuterium is one of the two stable isotopes. That is protonium and deuterium are the two stable isotopes of hydrogen. So deuterium is also known by the name heavy hydrogen because it has got one neutron and one proton. So with that we come to the end of the first part of MCQs, and soon I will be uploading the second part. So keep on revising all these concepts again, and also please like, share and subscribe to my video. And don't forget to press the bell icon, because as soon as I post a new video, you will be able to view it immediately. So thanks for watching my video.